Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas day 16. I think it's 16. I'm probably off on my days, but forgive me. We're on our way to the grocery store. I need some groceries. Today we have a snowstorm coming, so we're rushing to the grocery store. So technically for these 2 days, we might not be doing anything if we get a lot of snow. Yeah, so I got my jacket on and my hat, and I had to put on my wig because before I was looking crazy. So we're on our way. They can see you now. So it's gonna be hectic in this grocery store. So it's so freaking packed in here. It's ridiculous. Like, how is so already sold out? There's so much fucking people in here. I'm like, about to leave. I'm so used to put my mask on. This is crazy. But we have to leave, so I'm gonna catch you guys when I get home. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas days. I'm not sure, and I'm sorry for coming on this camera always with a scarf on and looking like a grandma, but we're gonna fix it up, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for joining this family, and let's get right into this video. It's so much snow. I'm on my way to the UGG store to get some Uggs because I need some Uggs ASAP. Look how beautiful this is, and it's real snow, and that's the Christmas tree. I'm freezing. I'm freezing, y'all. Look how beautiful. Oh my god, my hair. It's fucking cold as shit out here. Look how beautiful this is. It's mad loud. I'm about to get my ass home. It's so cold out here. I was supposed to get a pair of Uggs, but they don't take Apple Pay, and I do not feel like swiping my card around a holiday time because what? And it's so cold, my hands are freezing. I'm about to go home and warm up my hands. Jesus Christ. Hope you guys are enjoying your Christmas this year. That's when I get to the second destination. New York is so pretty. Look at these gigantic balls. What do you call these? Ornaments. The gigantic ornaments with the waterfall. I know the water is so cold. I'm finally back home. It's freezing outside. You hear me? Freezing. So now I'm about to start cooking my dinner. I'm going to make seafood, well, salmon and shrimp quesadillas. I was gonna make Alfredo, but literally when you go to the grocery store, every Alfredo sauce is sold out, even the ingredients to make a homemade Alfredo sauce. So we're gonna cook some quesadillas today. I'm gonna use probably these 2 pieces, and I have the shrimp right here. I got the bag shrimp. The other shrimp in the grocery store was literally sold out. Now I'm done seasoning my shrimp and my salmon. I'm about to cook it in the pot. I'm gonna use butter and garlic. Am I gonna use butter and garlic today? Just butter. Just butter. And then I already have my stove lit. My watch all my vlogs, you know that I am obsessed with jalapeno. I have a jalapeno. It's literally everything. I love everything spicy. I don't know, I just love spicy food, but I just love jalapenos. I love jalapenos. So this will be going inside my quesadilla. Okay, I got these from the grocery store, and I just want to know how they taste. Everyone know what these taste like? Ever eaten a pre-made lobster spring roll? I usually make my spring rolls by myself. We're gonna try these possibly tonight or probably tomorrow. We'll see. Okay, so the salmon and the shrimp is done. I'm actually gonna use the same pot because I don't feel like dirtying different pots. But this already looks good right here. I would eat this with some mac and cheese. Oh my god, I would eat that with some mac and cheese. Bomb. Imagine having salmon and shrimp mac and cheese. I just thought of something. We're using the Mexican style cheddar jack cheese, and I'm going to use these wraps, the soft taco tortilla wraps, and maybe like small quesadillas. So I'm finally done my quesadillas. It's time for me to eat. This is what it looks like. This is, if you would zoom in, the shrimp and salmon quesadilla. So just looks so good. I have some salmon pieces left, so I'm actually gonna save these for tomorrow just in case I want to make like a taco or something. These are the leftovers that I have left over. Duh. Same stuff. Why do I say the same stuff twice? this vlog is just so interesting. I tried to do something yesterday, and yesterday was just a disaster because there was a whole snowstorm. Today there's still snow outside. There's barely no one can move their cars or anything. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. But I wasn't able to get my Uggs today because they do not take Apple Pay. Like, who doesn't take Apple Pay? And then so I just ordered them offline when I came home. But I was happy to see the tree this year, because compared to what it looked like when they first got it there, it looks pretty good in person. But I'm gonna go back there probably tomorrow or the weekend. Probably with my niece, to show her like the tree and the stuff. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.